Hello, my name is Jay Fuller. I'm an attorney at the Fuller & Fuller Law Firm, and we handle injury law throughout the state of Washington. Well, my topic today is going to be types of insurance auto coverage. And as far as my list is by no means comprehensive, but usually people concentrate on the bill they get from the insurance coverage and don't read all the fine print in the policy and know the details as far as the type of coverage they have. So hopefully this will provide some useful information. Now, the first type of coverage I want to discuss is what we refer to as liability coverage. Now, this is required coverage in the state of Washington, and this is the coverage that if you're at fault in an accident, provides insurance coverage to the party that you might have been involved in the collision with as far as their injuries, medical bills, and their property damage. So that's liability coverage. The second type of coverage I'm going to talk about is called PIP, or personal injury protection coverage, and this is optional coverage. It's like a little health insurance bill that's attached to your automobile insurance coverage in this sense. It provides usually up to $10,000 in coverage for medical bills for you or your passengers in a vehicle, and it applies regardless of who is at fault. So not only do personal injury protection coverage cover medical bills, but it also covers wage loss as well under certain circumstances. Well, the third type of coverage, and again this is optional coverage that I wanted to discuss, is what's referred to by the initials that you might see on your declaration sheet of insurance as UM/UIM. Now, what does this stand for? UM is uninsured motorist coverage. UIM is underinsured motorist coverage. So if you have the bad luck to be hit by a driver and he damages your vehicle or causes you injuries and they have no insurance, your own insurance coverage that you've purchased for this very event of uninsured motorists provides insurance coverage and benefits. Underinsured motorist coverage is if the person who hit you didn't have enough insurance. They had insurance, but not enough of it to pay for your damages. Lastly, I want to talk about the type of insurance coverage that you may have heard of by the shorthand term comp and collision. Now, comp refers to comprehensive insurance, and this is for your vehicle damage if it's damaged in pretty much any fashion other than by a collision. For instance, if a tree falls on your vehicle, if your vehicle by a stroke of misfortune catches on fire for some reason, or if you run into a deer. This is comprehensive coverage. Collision means vehicle damage coverage that's paid for if there's a collision or accident. And collision applies regardless of fault. So that's what comp and collision are. They relate to different circumstances for damage to your vehicle. Well, I hope this has been of assistance today. If you have any further questions, feel free to call me at the Fuller & Fuller Law Firm. Once again, my name is Jay Fuller, and thank you very much for listening today.